In this tutorial, we'll be looking at investment decisions. Now remember that investment decisions are one of the three primary responsibilities of a financial manager. These investment decisions can be categorized into short-term decisions and long-term decisions. We'll be going through what entails short-term investment decisions, but what's most important and what people usually associate with investment decisions are decisions that are made with the long-term picture in mind. Short-term investment decisions basically center around the management of working capital. What does this mean? It means, do you have enough cash on hand to purchase inventory? Do you have enough cash on hand to allow the sale of goods on credit and therefore the creation of trade, debtors or accounts, receivables? Do you have enough cash on hand to pay your creditors and therefore manage your trade creditors or your accounts payables? Long-term investment decisions involve using some sort of calculation or capital budgeting tool like net present value in order to assess the different decisions that you can make. You could take on new projects. What does this mean? Perhaps you are operating in South Africa and an opportunity arises for you to then operate in London. Either the same type of project or the same type of operation that you're currently accustomed to, or a totally different one. You could buy long-term assets. You could buy property, plant, and equipment. You could undertake research and development. Remember, research and development leads to innovative products that have got a long-term beneficial impact. You could undertake marketing or advertising. Now remember, we're speaking about long-term investing. So the kind of marketing that we're speaking about is a long-term marketing plan, the type of which is seen in companies like Nando's, where they enlist the services, for example, of a marketing agency and pay them on a contractual basis, maybe for 2 years, 5 years, 10 years. You could merge or acquire certain companies, mergers and acquisitions. You could buy a financial instrument like a fixed deposit. But remember, again, since we're speaking about long-term investments, this fixed deposit has to be long-term in nature. It cannot be a 3-month fixed deposit or a 6-month fixed deposit. Here we're talking about fixed deposits, the duration of which is 2 years, 5 years, and so on.